Don't download Mainvest app before watching this. If you're thinking about downloading the Mainvest app, stop for a second. Most people get this wrong. Many assume it's a typical crowdfunding platform, but the surprising truth is that Mainvest specializes in small business debt and equity investing, which comes with higher risk than most investors realize. Mainvest allows you to invest directly in local businesses, from restaurants to small retail shops. For example, you could buy a note in a CUV looking to expand, earning interest over a set period while supporting local entrepreneurs. The idea of supporting small businesses while earning returns is appealing, but there are critical risks to understand. First, liquidity. Unlike stocks or ETFs, investments through Mainvest are not easily sold. Your money can be tied up for months or even years until the business repays the investment or hits an exit event. If the business struggles or fails, you could lose part or all of your investment. Next, risk management. While Mainvest vets businesses before listing them, small businesses inherently have high failure rates. According to SPA data, about 20% of new businesses fail within the first year and roughly 50% fail within 5 years. That's significantly riskier than investing in established companies or index funds. Fees are another factor. Mainvest takes a percentage of funds raised from businesses, which indirectly affects your returns. Some investors also underestimate the tax implications of returns, which can vary depending on whether you invest in debt, notes or equity. In conclusion, don't download Mainvest if you expect quick, low-risk returns. It's best suited for investors willing to take higher risks, support local businesses and keep funds locked in for longer periods. Understanding the illiquidity, high failure rates and fee structures is essential before diving into Mainvest's platform.